Making money with Steam, the popular gaming platform, is possible through several creative methods. Here are some effective ways to generate income. Sell in-game items. Market trading. Many games like Counter-Strike 2, Dota 2, and Team Fortress 2 offer in-game items that can be sold on the Steam community market. Strategy. Acquire rare items through gameplay, trading, or special events and sell them for profit. Limited edition items and rare skins are often in high demand. Game development and mods. Create and sell games. If you are a developer, you can sell your game on Steam Direct by paying a $100 submission fee. Mods and custom content. Games like Skyrim allow users to create and sell mods through Steam Workshop. Steam trading cards. Collect and sell cards. Play eligible games to earn trading cards. Complete sets, craft badges, or sell individual cards on the market. Special edition cards often sell for higher prices. Steam affiliate programs. Refer and earn. If you have a gaming audience, you can promote Steam games through affiliate programs and earn a share of sales.